Hello everyone. Welcome to the Afrokonnect Channel, your go-to guide for all things international shipping and shopping. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of buying from the USA and shipping to Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, or anywhere else. Whether you're eyeing the latest gadgets, fashion trends, or even considering importing a car, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of hassle-free international shopping and shipping. How to buy from USA and ship to Nigeria, Ghana, or South Africa. So, you found that perfect item from a US store, but you're wondering how to get it all the way to Nigeria. It's easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy from the USA and ship to Nigeria. 1. Create an account. Start by creating an account with a reliable international shipping service. This will provide you with a US shipping address, acting as a bridge between the seller and your Nigerian address. 2. Shop from US stores. Browse your favorite US online stores and add the items you want to your cart. At checkout, use the US shipping address provided by your international shipping service. 3. Consolidate shipments. Consider consolidating multiple purchases into one shipment to save on shipping costs. Many services offer this feature, allowing you to combine packages for more efficient delivery. 4. Choose shipping options. Select a shipping method that suits your needs and budget. Options may include standard, express, or even sea freight, depending on the size and weight of your items. How to ship a container from the U.S. to Africa. Now, let's talk about shipping on a larger scale. If you're considering importing goods in larger quantities, like shipping a container from the US to Africa, here's what you need to know. 1. Find a freight forwarder. Start by researching and choosing a reliable freight forwarder. They'll help you navigate the complexities of container shipping, handling everything from documentation to customs clearance. 2. Container size and type. Select the appropriate container size and type for your cargo. Common options include 20-foot and 40-foot containers, and you can choose between dry containers, reefer containers, or flat racks based on your goods. 3. Estimate container shipping cost. Estimating the container shipping cost is crucial. Utilize online tools and calculators provided by freight forwarders to get an idea of the expenses involved, including shipping, customs duties, and other fees. How to import accident Tokunbo cars from Copart USA to Nigeria. For the car enthusiasts out there, importing accident Tokunbo cars from Copart USA to Nigeria is an exciting venture. Here's how you can make it happen. 1. Register with Copart. Begin by registering on the Copart website. This will give you access to their extensive inventory of salvage and used vehicles, including detailed information about each car's condition. 2. Participate in auctions. Once registered, you can participate in online auctions. Carefully review the vehicle details, bid responsibly, and win the car that fits your needs. 3. Coordinate with a shipping agent. Work with a reliable shipping agent to handle the logistics of transporting the car from the US to Nigeria. They will ensure proper documentation, shipping arrangements, and customs clearance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to buy from the USA and ship to Nigeria, whether you're looking for small items or considering a larger venture like importing a car. Remember, thorough research, choosing the right partners, and understanding the logistics will make your international shopping and shipping experience smooth and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy shopping, and until next time, safe shipping.